Top 5 Best Faucet Water Filters. Find out which faucet water filters reign supreme.
If you're tired of drinking tap water that leaves a chemical aftertaste, or need a purification method when you're out camping or hiking, try one of these filtered water bottles. They'll remove pollutants, small particles and, in some cases, bacteria and viruses from H2O. As a bonus, they are environmentally friendly, too, saving lots of disposable plastic bottles from going into landfills.
Best Faucet Water Filters.
Brita faucet mounts will attach to most standard faucets without using any tools. To get started, open your box and pull out the base, filter, and faucet adapters and washers. Next, you're going to unscrew your aerator. That's a screen that's attached right to your faucet. If your threading is on the outside, no adapter is likely needed. If the threads are on the inside, you'll need to use one of the included adapters. The selection of adapters and washers included with your Brita system will fit a wide range of faucets, so you may have to experiment with different pairings to see what works for you. Pop the washer into the recessed end of the adapter. Twist the adapter counterclockwise onto your faucet and tighten by hand until it's snug. Attach the base to your faucet by screwing the thread on counterclockwise. When you're finished, the base should be to the left of the faucet and the Brita logo will be facing out toward you. Support the base and click the filter into place. Make sure you're on the Brita filtered water setting and flush with cold water.
AquaCrest NSF Certified Water Filter Crazy Sale. Glacier Fresh replacement for pure. WINGSOL Stainless Steel Faucet Water Filter.
Faucet filter fits standard faucets. It can work with the most popular standard faucets. Before purchasing, please check your faucet type and make sure it fits the faucet purifier. For faucets with interior aerator, please take out the cache aerator before installation, or it cannot fit the purifier. The following faucets does not fit our purifier. 1. Pull out or pull down faucet. 2. Spray style faucet. 3. Faucets with unconventional spout. 4. Sensor faucet. 5. External threaded faucet whose thread is less than 0.14 inch. Metric 3.5 millimeters. Please double check your faucet before purchasing. Now we begin to install the faucet purifier. Unscrew the top cover. Take out the filter cartridge. Remove the wrap. Insert the cartridge to the base tightly. Screw the top cover. Remove the aerator from the faucet.
Aquasana 3-Stage Max Flow.
To think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, Bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
certified and uses
to think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, Bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
pharmaceuticals, PFOA,
to think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, Bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
has a 44% faster flow rate.
to think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, Bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
Healthy water.
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like